Let's continue exploring our tools. So we have hazards identification matrix, environment impact identification, and health risk assessment. All types of works that are performed here are added in this tool. If it is some industrial workshop, it also has its specific types of works, and they need to be specified here. We always have some final amount of work, and we need to add them all into this tool. Every work has its hazard, which is defined based on some factors. We call them keywords. We'll speak about them in detail later, and now I need to spot the difference between hazards identification, environment impact identification, and health risk assessment. So we have already discussed hazards identification matrix, environment impact identification matrix has the same structure, but the hazards are identified from the point of view of their impact on the environment. And health risk assessment matrix has the same structure. As a rule, it's a long-term impact of some types of works on human health. Here we have the same types of works which are performed at our object, but the focus will be on the long-term impact on health. For example, if it is X-ray, it means that some hazards for health from these types of works will be highlighted in the matrix. If it is painting, tomorrow you may not notice any impact, but they tend to accumulate, and these negative effects also should be assessed in the matrix. So when we click on hazards identification matrix, we see categories of work. For example, category A, excavation works. And here we have such a notion as soil development below. And we see the word mechanisms. This is the key word. It means that the customer has excavation works, which he simply calls category A. And inside it, we have subcategories like soil development. Let's add one more. Let's say backfilling. So we added the type of work, and we can add the keyword. Let's say moving vehicles. We press enter, and we have the keyword is something like a hashtag. We can add practically unlimited number of keywords here. We press confirm. And now we see one more type of works inside excavation works with a keyword. The number of them, as I have already said, can be endless. Why do we need them? When we need to discuss with the team the possible hazards of different works, these keywords can help us. This job is done once during the system setting, and then people can comfortably use these types of works and keywords. All hazards are identified. Later, it will be quite convenient to use these modules in the module Digital Work Permit.